In this lecture, we're going to focus on how to connect our line chart data with our canvas. So I'll tell you here the story, what is going on, so you can understand it a bit. This is the technical side. If you understand it, at least you know the process. And for me, it's important that you understand the process, because then you also understand where you can improve it and what you're doing. That's the most important part of coding, that you understand why you do something. So the first thing is, we have this command, and this command will say get the element by ID with the name line chart. So get the canvas ID line chart and draw the following command. So it starts to draw in the canvas. Now is the question, where is the value? Well, you will say, well, the value is here in the line chart data. That is correct. However, right now JavaScript does not see any connection. So this one will draw something, but then it will stop automatically because it says there is no value recognized. So how to do that? Well, we're going to connect now the line chart data, so there will be some values to be recognized and to draw. So to do this, you type in new, and you type in here as well chart with capital letter C, parentheses, single quotation. Oh, sorry, I'm correcting myself. There's no quotation in this case. Yes, there's no quotation, I repeat. And you type in here, okay, what is the name? Well, the name right now is the variable line chart. Line chart. And dot. And then you type in here line with a capital letter L. Parentheses. And in here, we will type in the values here, the variable here, line chart data. So we type in line chart data and close semicolon. If you save this, you are done. But let me explain, before I'll show you the chart, let me explain what we really did. As I told you, we need to connect them. So what we really did is, we are saying right now in JavaScript, there's a new chart, and this chart has the variable line chart. You might wonder now, why does this does not have any double quotations in here? Well, let me explain to you. Numeric values does not need any quotations between. Text, if it's considered as a variable, it is not a text. It is like a string of value. So this is important. It sees it as a value, so it has no quotation between there. So that is the reason. And if you look at this, the value right now we are connecting, we say this value connects with the line chart data. And that is what we did. This here, this command is connected with this. That's what we did. And this command says, well, we want the line chart ID, that this start to draw something in the canvas. And what we will draw depends on this variable that we have here. So this refers to this part, and then it says here, okay, we want to draw a line, and this line chart should have these values in here. So once you understand this entire process, you have a wonderful chart. So we save this, and let's start and look. Right click on this, and then we select open with, and we want to open it with Google Chrome or another web browser, what you prefer. And there you are. You will see you have a very small chart, and probably it's not very appealing. It's very gray because we did not do anything on the layout and anything else. That is in the next video. We will start to focus on that. But right now you have a working chart. That is the most important part. You must have a working chart right now. So do this first, and the next part we start to focus on the layout to give it a professional layout.